Okay, we're going to create a 45-degree angle today. And we're going to use a protractor. Here's our protractor. And a ruler today. We're going to use a ruler today. You'll see why we need the ruler later on. So all I asked was for a 45-degree angle. So start by drawing the base of the angle. Okay. And here, take your protractor, line up the base with 0. And I want to draw a 45-degree angle. So what I'm going to do is, because I've started on the right, I'm using the inside numbers. And I need to find 45. There's 10, 20, 30, 40, and then there's 50. So I know it's in between here. And I use these little lines here to find 45 degrees. So 40, and the longer one is the 5. So there you go. I'm going to draw that little indicator there to tell me this is where the line needs to go through. Now when you're creating your own angles, remember there's always going to be human error. I can already tell I've made a little mistake. I might be slightly off here. But when I measure it, okay, I wasn't so off. I was off by half a degree. Okay. I can draw this another way. Okay, and let me show you the other way to draw a 45-degree angle, just in case you're wondering. I'm going to draw the same line again. But this time, I'm going to line up to the left. So now that I've lined up to the left, I need to use the outside numbers. The outside numbers make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to find 45 degrees. There we go. Put my little indicator there. Line up the line with the vertex and hope for the best. I think I'm off by half a degree here the other way. Let's see. I feel like I'm off again. Okay, I'm going to draw a 105-degree angle. I'm going to start over here. Okay. Take my protractor. Since I'm measuring it on the right, need to use the inside numbers. Find 105. 100's right here, 110's right there. 105's somewhere in the middle. And then I connect my little dot with the vertex. Again, it's going to be a little off. It's because I'm using pen, which I don't like doing, but it shows up best. There we go. I got it close. I'm about a degree off. That's close enough. And if I was to create the same angle on this side here, because I'm going to the left, I use the outside numbers. So there's 105 right there. And once again, I take my little ruler, and I think I got this one finally. 1 out of 4. I spoke too soon. Oh no, I got it. There we go. 105. Okay. So there it is, 105 degrees. Okay. I'll mark my little angle there. Remember there's... Okay, so the next angle was 68 degrees. I was getting away from the multiples of 5. So let's draw a baseline. I'm going to draw an extra long one. You'll see why in a second. 68 degrees. Yeah, let's just start on the left this time, just to switch things up a bit. So line it up at the 0. There it is, 0 degrees. I'm going to use the outside numbers. So I need 68. So here's 60, here's 70. 65 is here. 66, 67, 68. So I'm about 3 away. Let's get a little bit closer here. Okay, might be a little off. Remember, using a sharp pencil It's definitely helpful for a lesson like this if you're doing it on paper. There we go. Let's measure this angle. We kind of have a winner. Now I drew the extra long line because I want to use it on this side here. So there it is. Line it up at the 0. Since I'm lining it up on the right, I need to use the inside numbers. 60 and 70 is right here. And it's just right before 70. It's two little marks before 70. Line it up. Draw the line. I like drawing them extra long because it goes right through the line so I could see if I'm correct or not. There we go. 68, not bad. Close enough. Okay. So that's how you would draw angles using a protractor.